Hello, welcome to another lightning collection video. This is the one this is what up to. This is should it's the lightning figures I've got up to so far in my collection of my morphin. You all have seen yellow. You have seen yellow, blue, red Mighty Morphin Rangers and Draken. I will put a tag in all these, and I will put a playlist at the end of the video so you can review all my lightning collection. But in today's one, this is what I've been wanting for ages. I got a batch of Putty Patrollers. Don't ask where I got this from. It was a pain. It was a pain to get. It was a pain to get my hands on them. Even though they are doing a Z Putty next year, in the next wave for next year, which has been confirmed. And I would like to get a couple. My limit is about 2 because I've got 2 putties in here. Yes, this arrived on Friday. My mum already had a peek at it. It was my putties. So yes, without further ado, let's open the box. Please do. There are 2 putties. There they are. There they are. There's the putties. You get spare right arms. You get spare right arms. 2 different effects. You can stick them on the Rangers or on the actual putty, according to the product art. I forgot to mention. That's what it looks like for the product art. I've got to mention. And yeah, as I say, this arrived on Friday because I bought a batch of putties. Further ado, let's get these puppies out. Let's get these putties out. But they are kind of, oh God, yeah, they are a bit of a pain to get out. There's one of them. Got one out. I've got one of them out. I've got one out. I think I have one of them out. Let's get the other one. I don't really need to show you the accessories. It's just a changeable right arm. 2 of the putties. It's just changeable arms. It's just changeable arms. Just changeable arms. Because I've got wrist choice. And there we are. Let's move this box out of the way and let's just show the putty off. Let's just show the putty patroller. Let me just round down my camera. Sorry about this. Please note, this is a 2-pack. So you not just get one, you get 2 putties. Or perhaps I can show you the change of one of the arms. So there's one of the arms. So this is one of the arms. I might as well do it to that one as well. So let's take the arm off. Let's take this off. So yep, they come off. And then that will just become a standard right arm for a putty. There we are. And then that's just now a standard right arm for a putty. That's for one of them. That's just one of the putties. That's one of the putties. Now for the other one has sort of a blade. This one just has sort of a blade. Well, it's just like a blade, like a super putty. There we go. As you said, as the same verse, just like the first. Take the arm off. And there you have it. Now you got a standard putty. If you want a super putty, you just put that attachment in into the putty arm. There we are. These putties are amazing. They're recommended if you're a really big thumbs up to Hasbro for doing putties. Very big thumbs up. So now my Rangers. Now there's your quick comparison with a Cyberman gun arm. And there's your comparison with a Ranger. And then Lord Draken can just give orders to putties to destroy the Rangers. The Rangers. But anyway, good luck finding them. As I say, good luck for getting your hands on them. They may be rare to find, but unless you wait till next year, you can get a Z putty. Oh god, excuse me about that. That was the door. Give me a second. Sorry about that. That was my door. That was my door. Well, as I was saying, if you want putties, good luck. Or unless you can wait till next year, you can get some Z putties. If you can wait till next year, of course, because will be definitely getting some Z putties, so I can have some more putties to fight. Fight more for my rangers to fight. Now, if you like these, carry on. Be on my channel. If you like any of the gameplay I do, please let me know. I could do a request gameplay. You know the drill. Well, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta.